Japanese beetles have invaded my garden, so I'm kicking them out for good. Today I'll show you how to remove Japanese beetles from your garden using a simple technique. You will need a cup, soap, and water. Fill that up and let's go outside. These beetles have been eating my garden like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. There's no need to wear gloves, you can just pick them off with your bare hands. Now we'll walk around the garden, picking off Japanese beetles one by one, dropping them in the soapy water. They will drown in the water overnight. Don't be afraid, they're not going to bite you. I like this method of removing Japanese beetles because it's safe and effective, it's inexpensive, and it protects the pollinators in the garden. That's really all there is to it. You got this.
You want this love of mine.
If you're enjoying the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you know what this bug is, please let me know in the comments. It looks so interesting.